Let's dive deeper into more vocabulary that will enhance your navigation skills. I'm Mina and I'm grateful to have you here. In part 1 of this lesson, we covered some essential words for asking for directions in English. And today I'll give you some more words to feel more confident, starting with street names. Should I memorize the street names in English? Of course no, but knowing the street names are essential for understanding directions. So wherever you are, take a moment and search for the street names around you. You may hear this sentence while you're asking for directions. The museum is on Main Street between Elm and Oak Streets. You'd better know the street names. Another important word is traffic lights. This, traffic lights, a sign at intersections that control the traffic flow. For example, at the traffic lights, turn right. You'll see the hotel on your left. Next word is around the corner. Repeat it. Around the corner. Around the corner. Around the corner indicates a location that is just after turning the corner, not too far from the corner, just around the corner. For example, the cafe is just around the corner. Coming up next is follow. Follow. Follow means to go in the same direction as someone or something. For example, please follow the path until you get to the playground. Next word is destination. Repeat it. Destination. Destination. Destination is the place you're trying to go or reach. For example, my destination is the city center. I am not at the city center right now, but I want to go there. Coming up next is block. Repeat, block. Block. Block is the distance between two streets in a city. For example, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The cafe is just around the corner. Could you understand the direction I just gave you? If yes, you're ready for the next word. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Or as we said in this video, go straight. Straight ahead means to continue moving forward in the same direction. Like, keep walking straight forward. The park is on your right. Next word you need to know is turn around. Repeat, turn around. Turn around. Turn around means to change your direction and go back the way you came. Like, I think we missed the park. Let's turn around and go back. And the final 2 words of today's lesson. Right side and left side. Right side and left side. These 2 words indicate directions relative to your position. For example, the post office is on the left side of the street, this way. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Stay tuned for more lessons about asking for directions. For now, practice using these words in real-life situations to speak more confidently and fluently. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and wait for the next lessons. Until then, watch one of these videos here and improve your English. See you soon!